Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about COVID-19, which is spreading very rapidly. Even people are wearing the face masks. What is wrong? What are we missing? So why wearing face mask is not helping us as much as it should help? So what is wrong? So why it is not stopping, or why the speed is not reducing? So there are things which we are doing wrongly, which I have been observing, which I have seen, and those are small things which are very important, which I have observed and I have seen. So I'm gonna share it with you, which will definitely help you to keep yourself safe and keep other people safe. So let's look at those things. Now, what happens specifically when we go to public transport, when we use public transport? We keep on touching railings of the bus or any public transport which we use. You don't know whether that is infected or not, and it is a human tendency, human nature. So keep touching your face again and again. It's not something anybody's fault, but it's a human nature. So we keep touching our face again and again, and we don't know, and knowingly or unknowingly we may get infected. Again, the next example is when we go to grocery store, we go to supermarket, we buy things, we keep on touching things, and then we get to the billing counter, and then we come out. Again, we don't know, is anything infected in the store, or we are infected, or we have touched so many things and made the things infected. So we don't know things, what area is infected, what area is not infected. So the point here is, when you have a face mask and you keep touching things, so it is very important to stop touching your face and your face mask, because that becomes the biggest carrier then. And then what people have a tendency, they remove the face mask and put the face mask in their pocket without sanitizing their hands. So now if the infection was there at any place in the public transport or in the grocery store, so your face mask is infected and you are also infected because you have already touched the face mask or you have touched your face. Now again, next time what will happen, they use next transport, they again go to grocery store, they again use the same mask, put it on, touch the places, and so on. So these things keep on going. So knowingly or unknowingly, they are infecting people, or they are getting the infection, then they are infecting people. So it is very important, when you use face mask, stop touching your face, stop adjusting your spectacles, stop touching your face mask, sanitize your hands. If you are not at home, properly rub the hands, then only touch your face mask or your glasses, or otherwise don't do it. Knowingly or unknowingly you are getting infected, and then you will infect people, which is the major reason. I have been watching, I have been seeing people, they don't sanitize hands, they touch the places, and then they touch their faces with the same hands. So even though you are wearing face mask, it will not help. So you need to make sure you are not touching your face, you are not touching your face mask while you are out, and you need to make sure you are washing your hands regularly. And if you are out of your house for shopping or anything which is important, have sanitizer with you, use it before you touch your face or face mask, which is very important. So that is one of the major reason why face mask is not helping us, is not helpful, because we are using it for the sake of using it, because governments are saying that you should use the face mask, but we are not using it properly. So this is my request, please use the face mask properly and do not touch your face. Do not touch your face mask while you are out or doing the shopping or using any public transport, or when you are out of your house for any important task. So thank you so much in this video. I hope if I would be able to convince even one person, I would be happy. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We'll come up with something next topic on something important. Thank you so much. Bye bye.